Good morning, everyone. Again, two videos this morning. I know. Slow down, John. Slow down. This is our What Sold video for the first week of January 2023. As you can see on the screen, main store, 51 orders, $592. So sales for me have dipped. And over on airplane cards, airplane postcards, 11 orders, 157. So I have not listed. So you don't list, you don't sell. You list, you sell. Hopefully, new year. I did list. What did I list last night? I listed actually 3 dental book lots. So I'm pretty proud of myself for listing some dental books, and I listed some Disneyland postcards, which I talked about in the first video this morning. So let's go ahead and get into what sold. I had a lot of sales international. A lot went to Canada, UK. Not quite half my sales, but probably a third of my sales went overseas or to another country. First card, Canada, Ontario, North Bay, Main Street, view old cars in stores. And that sold for $7.99. And again, I should put a little preface that some of these, and probably most of them, sold on best offers that either I sent or I accepted. Watch Hill 1906 view, and this is in Rhode Island. Again, the home of T-Swizzle. If you're a Taylor Swift fan, don't know, I remember that, but she bought a house. And again, I didn't clean my scanner. See that little line there? $11.79 for that card. Grantsburg, Wisconsin, Burnett County Courthouse, real photo. Probably got this at the York Postcard show last year, I think. I'm not 100% sure. If that's where it came from, I paid 80 cents for this card. Sold for $14.99. San Diego, California, Motor Car Hotel, Cabrillo La Jolla, 1910s. This one came from this year's York Postcard show. Probably paid 80 cents to $1 after all discounts were taken into consideration. Sold for $14.99. Hazleton, Pennsylvania, West Diamond Avenue, 1909 Street View. Took a best offer, probably around $7 or so. Don't remember where it came from or how much I paid for it. This is mid-century modern. I should have put MCM, saved myself a whole bunch of space. Furniture Formica Oak Hill Company, Fitchburg, Massachusetts. I bought a whole bunch of these cards, wow, probably 5 or 6 years ago at an antique mall down in West Virginia somewhere. I think I paid $1 each for these, and I probably had 50 or 60, and I've just have a few left. All of them sold for $7-8, so it was a pretty good flip. Just took a while to sell. So if I find these for 50 cents or a quarter box, I would pick these up all day long. $8.49 for that card. Cable, Wisconsin, aerial view, that lake, real photo, RPPC. Probably, again, came from York Postcard show either last year or several years ago. $17.99. Again, probably took a best offer. This is Alexandria, New Hampshire, Mount Cardigan, AMC Ski Lodge, real photo. Can't remember. It's very light, but you can see the stamp box there. $12.99 for that card. Alfred Manzier, Dressed Mice, Mouse Family Going on a Hike, $19.99. Again, probably a best offer. The Alfred Manzier, the anthropomorphic animals, I've always done well for with those. Probably best offer, $14-15, and I know this one's going overseas. Benson, North Carolina, Williams Tourist Court, Amoco Service, gas station, 1940s. Gas stations sell, people like that. Probably could have worked in Coca-Cola if I had room in the title. $15.99 for that card. Happy Prosperous New Year, children building snowmen. 1920s deco. I just didn't have Art Deco in enough room for Art Deco. I could have made room. Sold this, I think, January 3rd is when this sold. And $7.99 for that card. Scenic Greetings from Hardinsburg, Kentucky. Took a best offer of $10. This is from the 1920s. And I hate this buyer, before he bought it, asked, is this a real, is this a reproduction? Is this a copy? And it's all because of those damn sellers. Someday we need to do something about those damn sellers. Like, and I'm calling them out. Scurfan sells reproduction, crappy copy postcards. It should be kicked off eBay. I'm selling it, or I'm saying it, calling them out. You shouldn't be on eBay for selling your crap cards, copies, reproductions. As mentioned in my video this morning, don't sell known reproduction copies made to deceive. The Roomba just started. That's what that noise was, if you even heard it. But anyway, I wrote them back. I said, no, I don't sell copies. Pretty much you could look at this. How are you going to reproduce that? But anyway, sold for $10 off Soapbox. Hendersonville, Tennessee, Christmas at Twitty City, $12.99. Probably took a best offer. Nice Christmas scene. Next is Crystal Falls, Michigan, Iron County Courthouse real photo. Probably another one that came from York Postcard Show, if I had to take a guess. $14.99 for that card. Next, New Jersey Sailboats Greetings from Windward Beach, Laurenton. Just probably one of those beachy towns, which is why this very generic scenic type of greeting sold for $10.99. Old card, been up for quite a while. Indian River, Constant Park, real photo. You can tell by the blue background. Very old card, probably been up for 8+ years. $10.99, finally sold. Mantowish, Wisconsin. This is Spider Lake Resort. Has some staining, ink staining on it. It's a real photo. Even in this condition, probably took a best offer, 20 bucks or so. Sold a hockey card. This is 1920 Upper Deck OPG Stanley Cup Final Moments. It's a super SSP is super short print. And I took a best offer of, it was around $30 for that card. Still doesn't make up for all the money I wasted on hockey cards. Another very old card sold, Las Vegas Stardust Casino. I would have done obviously a much better job with the pictures. That red background is horrendous. This is back when they said, oh, put a red background in and people will be psychologically impulsed by whatever horse shit. Sorry. Crap that was. I could have put Lido in there. I could have a lot of keywords I missed out on. Sold it for $4 on a best offer. Upper Potts Grove Township, Pennsylvania, Fire Engine, Hammerly Company, Hamburg, or maybe it's county. I'm not sure. Probably about $5 on that card. Dual View Banner Greetings from Ocean County, New Jersey, Toms River, $4 on that card. Sold some stickers. Disney Princess, Aurora, Jasmine Belle, Cinderella, 2 sheets sealed, new in package. Years ago, probably 5-6 years ago. Went to Goodwill. They had a whole big, like 10-gallon, 20-gallon tub full of stickers. And each one, it said $1 each, or like 5 for $1 or something like that. And this had hundreds and hundreds of packs of stickers. And I asked the lady, how much if I bought because I pulled out like a big stack and I'm thinking $20. I said, how much just for the whole tub? And the Goodwill worker said, $5. And I have made a lot of money off the stickers. So keep an eye out for that. I don't always just sell postcards. I sold a whole bunch of stuff. Florida. Clearwater Skylit Motel. I don't know what the hell I was thinking with the green background. Hideous. But $5 best offer on that card. Kennett Square, Candy Kitchen Restaurant, real photo. Best offer, I think around $22, and it is going to Canada. Don't remember where I bought it or how much I paid. Probably didn't pay much for it. Next is Desert Hot Springs, Pearson Boulevard shopping area, 5 and dime store, real photo. This one came from the most recent York Postcard show. I paid, it was marked at $3 with discounts and everything. I probably paid about $2.50 for it. Great card. Sold for $49.99. No discount, no best offer. Christmas Greetings, Santa Claus, Chimney, Reindeer, Embossed, 1908. Just sold this within the last few days, so Christmas sells all year round. $19.95 for that card. Newark, New Jersey, Center Market, 1920s Street View. Probably about $10 on a best offer cent on this card. Over on Airplane Cards, again, $157 on 11 orders. Sold a whole bunch of 8x10 black and white photos, all to the same buyer. The total order was like $80, so I took a best offer of $20 each on those, and had a multiple quantity airplane postcard order, $20.50 for those 5 cards, so about $4 a card. Not quite getting daily sales on airplane cards, but getting close to that. Again, I got a list. You list, you sell. I've made it through about 10% of the postcards from that big airplane buyout. I just got to get off my butt and get more sold. I mean, listed. You list, you sell. Simple as that. A couple things coming up on Whatnot this week, since Jackass Retro is going to be going away. He's going to be out of town for a while. I decided to do some Whatnot shows in the morning. I'll do a couple hours Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Starting at 10 Eastern, I'll have a couple boxes. We'll go through them. I'll be on for about 2 hours each day. Tomorrow night, Tuesday, I'm going to be selling tubs of postcard. So shoebox size tubs, usually about 500-600 cards in there. I have like 18 tubs. We'll see how it goes. So join me on Whatnot. Also coming up this Saturday, these ones, this one, this one, this one, and this one. We have Ephemerama with starting off with Ben, New to You Provisions, 5 o'clock on Saturday, and then every hour after that we'll have a different seller. I'm on at 10 o'clock, and I will go long. Postcard shows coming up this weekend. New Brumfield, Texas, January 13th, 15th. Next weekend, Lakewood, Colorado. It's the Denver Postcard Show. Someday I'll make it out there. And same weekend, Buena Park, California, Greater California Postcard Show. And then Elkton, Maryland. I don't think I'll be going to this one. It's a little further away. It's several hours away from me, so I don't think I'll be going to that one. But you all make it to a postcard show. That's it. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the 2 videos from me today, and we'll be back hopefully soon with some more. Hope you have a great day.